Hello students, welcome back. Once again, this is class 7th Science, chapter number 14, Electric Current and its Effects. It is lecture number 9. In this video lecture, we will be covering all the NCERT textbook exercise questions along with their solutions. Question number 1. Draw in your notebook the symbols to represent the following components of electrical circuit: connecting wires, switch in the off position, bulb, cell, switch in the on position, and battery. Here you can check that the components of electrical circuits are written along with the symbols. Connecting wires. Switch in off position. You can pay attention. The key is not connected. There is a gap. So this switch is in off position. Next is bulb. Then cell. We all know that a cell has two terminal, positive terminal and a negative terminal. Then switch in the on position. Here both the terminals are joined, right? So this will allow the current to flow, hence making the circuit complete. Last one is the battery. By the definition, we know battery is the combination of two or more cells. If you look at the symbol, you can easily recognize that this battery has 4 cells. Question number 2. Draw the circuit diagram to represent the circuit shown in figure 14.21. The diagram is given to us. This is the circuit in which different components are there. We are asked to make the circuit diagram. Here we have made the circuit diagram of the connection which was shown to us in the figure. Students, the cell is represented. It is connected with the bulb and with the switch. All the way connecting wires helped in establishing the contact between all the electrical components. Question number 3. Figure 14.22 shows that 4 cells fixed on a board. Draw lines to indicate how you will connect their terminals with wires to make battery of 4 cells. These are the 4 cells shown in figure 14.22. We are already aware that in a cell there are two terminals, one positive, another negative. If you look carefully, all these 4 cells have both the terminals. Answer: we all know that the terminals are to be joined with opposite terminal. So, the positive terminal of first cell will be connected with the negative terminal of the second. In the same way, the positive terminal of the second cell will be connected to the negative terminal of the third. And finally, to complete the circuit, the positive terminal of third cell will be connected to the negative terminal of the fourth cell. This way, we have made a battery of 4 cells. Let's check the explanatory part. Positive terminal of one cell is connected to the negative terminal of the another cell. In this, all the 4 cells are connected with each other to make a battery. As there is attraction between unlike or opposite charges and repulsion between like or same charges. Hence, the connection are established between the opposite terminals. Positive is joined with negative and vice versa. Question number 4. The bulb in the circuit shown in figure 14.23 does not glow. Can you identify the problem? Make necessary changes in the circuit to make the bulb glow. This is the figure 14.23. Here, two cells are joined to make a battery which is connected to the switch and finally to the bulb with the help of connecting wires. This bulb is not glowing. We are asked to find the reason and to rectify it. Answer: here, the battery, which is a combination of cells, is connected with both its negative terminal and positive terminal of both the cells are connected to each other. There will be repulsion between same charges or like charges. So, there will be no flow of charges or the current through the circuit. Thus, the bulb does not glow. Question number 5. Name any two effects of electric current. Answer: the following are the effects of electric current. Number 1, heating effect. Number 2, magnetic effect. Explanation: the conversion of electrical energy into other forms of energy is termed as effect of electric current. The first effect, heating effect of electric current. Students, the conversion of electrical energy into heat energy is heating effect of electric current. Moving on, to the magnetic effect of electric current? When electric current is passed through any conductor, there is a flow of charges through that conductor with some force experienced. Thus, it produces magnetic field around it. Question number 6. When the current is switched on through a wire, a compass needle kept nearby gets deflected from its north-south position. Explain. Answer. When the current passes through a wire, there will be flow of charges through the wire that acts as the force experienced by its charges and thus creates a magnetic field around it. The needle of a compass is itself a small magnet and shows north and south direction along with the direction of Earth's magnetic field. When that compass needle is placed near the current carrying wire or conductor, its magnetic field interacts with the field in the wire and thus creates magnetic effect. Hence, a compass needle shows deflection. Question number 7. Will the compass needle show deflection when the switch in the circuit shown by figure 14.24 is closed? This is the figure given to us in the question 14.24. Answer. No, the compass needle would not show deflection when the switch is on. That is, the circuit gets closed. Explanation. The current is not flowing through the circuit as there is no electric source such as cell or battery that makes the flow of charges. Here, the electric source such as cell or battery is not connected to circuit. So, there will be no flow of electric current that makes no magnetic field. If there is no magnetic field, then there will be no deflection. Question number 8. Fill in the blanks. Part A. Longer line in the symbol for a cell represents its positive terminal. B. The combination of two or more cells is called a battery. C part. When current is switched on, In a room heater, it produces heat. Explanation: working of room heater is based on the heating effect of electric current. The coils of room heater are made of materials of alloys that have high resistance and have high melting point. If resistance increases, the heat produced from it also increases. D. The safety device based on the heating effect of electric current is called a fuse. Question number 9. Mark T if the statement is true and F if it is false. Statement A. To make a battery of two cells, the negative terminal of one cell is connected to the negative terminal of the other cell. It's a false statement. B. When the electric current through the fuse exceeds a certain limit, the fuse wire melts and breaks. Yes, it's a true statement. C part. An electromagnet does not attract a piece of iron. Students, it's a false statement. Part D. An electric bell has an electromagnet. Yes, it's a true statement. Question number 10. Do you think an electromagnet can be used for separating plastic bags from a garbage heap? Explain. Answer: no. An electromagnet cannot be used for separating plastic bags from a garbage heap. Electromagnet is based on the magnetic effect of electric current. Thus, an electromagnet also behaves like a magnet that attracts magnetic materials. Magnetic materials are the materials that are attracted by a magnet. Such materials are like iron object. But here plastic is not a magnetic material. So it will not be attracted by an electromagnet. Thus, plastic bags cannot be separated from a garbage heap using an electromagnet. Question number 11. An electrician is carrying out some repairs in your house. He wants to replace a fuse by a piece of wire. Would you agree? Give reason for your response. Answer: it is not a wise idea to replace fuse by a piece of wire, as it has very low melting point. In case of metal piece, melting point will be high and the circuit will be intact in case there is overload or overheat. Question number 12. Zubeda made an electric circuit using a cell holder shown in figure 14.24, a switch and a bulb. When she put the switch in the on position, the bulb did not glow. Help Zubeda in identifying the possible defects in the circuit. Answer: the possible defects in the given circuit are as follows. First, check the terminals of the cells properly. Either positive positive or negative negative terminals are connected. Then there will be no flow of charges or the current through the circuit. Hence, in that case, the bulb will not glow. Number 2, either the bulb used in this circuit is already fused. Check the electric bulb properly. Number 3, check the connections of wires or cells properly. There may be some loose connection because of which the bulb does not glow. In case of loose connection, the bulb may not glow properly. Question number 13. In the circuit shown in figure 14.25, Part 1. Would any of the bulbs glow when the switch is in the off position? Answer: no. All the bulbs will not glow when the switch is in off position. Second part. What will be the order in which the bulbs A, B and C will glow when the switch is moved to the on position? Answer: there will be no order for glowing of the bulbs A, B and C. All the bulbs will glow simultaneously when the switch is in on position. That's all for this video lecture. Thank you.